Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to talk about the different settings for your libraries in Book Creator. So as you can see, I have my personal library, which is my books, and I have Bell Library. This is the one for my students. Now, I want to change the settings in this library. So I'm just going to click right on the library to open it up. I don't have any books right now, but I can change the settings, and you can change the settings whether or not you have books in there. So in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click one time on my gear icon, which is the settings. And I'll be able to see my library name. If I want to change it, I can change it here. So if I want to change that to first period or second period or whatever you want to name it, you can do that right here. Okay, and there's three settings that are important. The first one is to allow Google image searches. I like to keep this on. I don't see any reason why I would need to turn that off. The second one is students can read each other's books. I like to keep this off, okay, because if I keep that on, they're going to be able to see each other's books while they're working on their own, and I don't think that's good. I want to go ahead and keep that off until everyone's done, and then if I want to turn that on so they can see each other's books, then I certainly can. The last one is students can publish their books online. This gives the students the ability to create a link that would go to their book. I think there are benefits to this once they're done, but until they're done, I would keep that off. Okay, and once I'm done with my settings, I don't need to click anything else. Archiving will get rid of it. Publish it will create a link for that library. I don't think that's necessary, so I'm going to go ahead and just hit the X to save my settings.